यहाँ पर कि बैंगलोर में
पूछो क्या पाकिस्तानी
प्राइस
एल्बम
रेंज पता है ना स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम 1500
पूछना सोनू ये लोग तो मेरे फेवरेट है।
लेकिन वो प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस में होता है
हाँ
ऐसे
तुम लोग तो
माहौल
मेरे
में-
फेवरेट हो। तुम लोग पे मुझे नजर रखनी पड़ती है।
तो सब जाएगा
पर बिजनेस ऑफ सिनेमा में जाना चाहिए।
जाएगा।
ओके
Okay, Evelyn, first of all, congratulations. It's your third year.
Our third
Yeah.
garage sale, yes.
So, what did you say about it? It's everyone is coming, and it's a different collection. What did you say?
I'm super excited today because we have the third garage sale of Seams for Dreams. We had 2 garage sales last year, the first one with Vogue, the second one with Moe, and now the third one with Butter Events at Olive again. And we're super excited because we got so many fantastic donations by designers, celebrities, movie costumes, stage costumes. In fact, let me show you something. This is our upcycled fashion line. It's our first fashion line by Seams for Dreams. These are clothes which were donated and had like a small error, maybe like a hole or like a stain. And our team has made them into a new collection of new clothes. So it's old made new. It's really cool. We're selling it only at 1,500 rupees for people to get to know upcycled clothes. And in fact, I have a lot of these clothes myself. And
which one is your favorite? Because
so of
lots
course,
different
these are like the
clothes.
most expensive ones. It goes up to 8,000. But here you find like fully embroidered
what?
stage costumes. This actually was donated by Sophie Chaudhry. It's one of her fabulous outfits she wears on stage. So if you want to look so sexy like Sophie, then you can come and shop these amazing outfits here. There are lots of first-hand donations by designers as well. This is from Narendra Kumar.
Oh, Narendra
Yeah, we have like from Rockias, there's Manish Malhotra, Gavin Miguel. We have lots of really nice donations. Even Anita Dongra has given beautiful clothes. We have different celebrities like myself. I think most of my closet is now at Seams for Dreams. Ellie Avram has given a lot. We have from Aduna actor, just a lot of like really cool clothes, really exciting. Lots of models, in fact, donate to us too. So if you want to have like, or stylists, fashion stylists, we have lots of fashion stylists who donate to us. So if you ever wondered, you know, what the girls behind Vogue wear in their personal life, you can find it here on our racks. And this time we've made it a little bit more boutique-like. So it's less clothes, but more high-quality clothes. Because in our first year we realized that the garage sale itself is a more high-end event for even for my fans. Everyone can come and shop because it starts at 1,500, but the clothes are such good quality. And then we do a lot of pop-ups during the year as well, like at College Fest, at designer events, and there we sell like even more casual clothes. But right now we have more of couture, we have more of movie costumes. We have a whole rack actually, like which has a lot of costumes that were used in a movie. You can even find like costumes from item songs and all. Yeah, we do have also 2 outfits from Sunny Leone, but I'm not going to show you which one. Yeah, her stylist actually donated them to us. We have one outfit also which was worn by Deepika on the cover of FHM. Yeah, Kresha Bajaj, the designer, she donated it. So that's really cool. We have a silent auction on this because I would say that's probably like our coolest outfit of tonight. So that is a silent auction. You can put your bid on a paper, put it inside the box, and whoever has the highest bid at the end of the day wins.
Yes, and Evelyn, you said that lots of designers, lots of celebrities donate on different clothes.
Yes.
What's your feeling? What's your feeling?
My feeling is I want to buy all of it because it's so amazing. Like for example, just you know these kind of stage costumes. Like yeah, like we have a lot of them. So if you make them new, you know these costumes are expensive. Like they're 70,000-80,000 if you make them because like we have to make stage costumes all the time. Now if you can buy it like at 8,000, that's so good. Like so I'm really excited. For me, I always say I will shop last, let everyone else shop first, but I will see at the end of the day what is left for me, and then I will buy myself through.
And what about male collection?
Male collection, yes, we do have a couple of donations over here. Yeah, really were donated by a couple of celebrities. We have, a lot of actors, actually, co-actors of mine have given too. They're a little shy, like to be named. But mostly we got like t-shirts and stuff from boys. But we got a couple of suits as well, so they're really, really beautiful.
This is what? This is
It's a really cool suit. It's beautiful. And they're all custom made, so they're all like really high quality and beautiful fabrics. Yes. These are, I think, the costumes from movies and saris. We have so many beautiful things.
and also every lots of festival is a corner.
Yeah, so perfect shopping here. We do have a lot of festive clothing as well. So, you can just buy yourself a new sari and prepare for Diwali.
You love
Yeah.
the sari?
Yeah, I love a sari.
Because I didn't see any time.
Have to check.
Okay, Evelyn, also your upcoming movies, one old movie, Amit Shah.
Yeah.
Just little about your character and what are you doing in the film? What's your character in the movie?
It's a beautiful movie about young people and falling in and out of love. It's a relationship drama. It's how much can I tell you? My character is actually very close to my own character, so I love that when I play a character which becomes more easy for me to tell my story. And of course, it's a lead role, so there's a lot more scope for me to perform. And there is always like this little comic element which I like to bring to my characters. So it's I think my character, again, like in Ye Jawani, for example, my character gives that lightness to the movie a little bit. There's drama, but there's also a little bit of comedy. And I feel like even in this movie, it's a similar kind of thing that my character brings the lightness to the movie. Yeah.
And also you are doing on some album, Pakistani album, correct?
Yeah, I've done a song. Yeah.
Song. Tell
Yeah.
us how is
That was
it?
fun. We were shooting in Dubai, and it was a very international project because so many people from different countries: Pakistan, India, Germany, Dubai, Canada, UK, Scotland, like all kinds of different countries. Like the producers, everyone was from a different place. So I know people are saying it's like a Pakistan-India collaboration, which is true, but it's more of a worldwide collaboration, I would say. Yeah. And maybe I should show you our merchandise T-shirts as well.
Yes, no
Yeah.
problem. You find it. Yes,
Our
great. It's,
merchandise T-shirts. Yes. Actually, this is our own collection. So this is actually a 03. Okay, so we have the third garage sale. So with each garage sale, we have a different number. The first one was by Rocky S. designed. The second one, Kanika Goyal. And this one is designed by Panarvi. She's a very amazing t-shirt designer. You should check out her website, panarvi.com. And she's famous for making t-shirts from organic cotton. And then she embellishes them. They're not just printed, they're also embellished. I think if you see it closely, it's beautiful with stones and beads and everything. So her whole collection is always like around these beads. It's beautiful, and that's our new collection.
yes. And thank you so much.
Thank you.
Wish you all the best. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
बैकड्रॉप की तरफ हम लोग थोड़ा सा लेते हैं
Sure.
भैया थैंक यू बात नहीं कर ओ भैया बात नहीं कर
Evelyn, yeah, ma'am, straight. Excuse me. Ma'am, straight here.
One more here. Excuse me.
Excuse me, ma'am, yeah, ma'am, straight. मैम थोड़ा इस तरह स्ट्रेट है मैम सामने मैम अरे मैम सामने आते जस्ट होल्ड मैम लास्ट को ना मैम मैम क्या बोथ ऑफ यू लुक स्ट्रेट हियर एक्सक्यूज मी एवलिन अरे होने के बाद बोलो सबका यार मैम 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 एक्सक्यूज मी मैम जस्ट
Hold on. Both of Excuse me, ma'am. Ellie.
श्वेता
एक सेकंड श्वेता
Ellie.
लेट श्वेता आल्सो कम
Here. Here.
Only here. This car.
Here. Excuse me. Ma'am, here. Center, ma'am. All of you center. All of you center. Ma'am, here. Hold on. Excuse me. Excuse me, ma'am.
अंदर करेंगे सब कलेक्शन
Thank you.
Ma'am, ma'am. Both.
दोनों का साथ
Ma'am.
Let's sing with all the winners now. Marshalla.
Excuse me.
Becca, come. All the boys. Together. Shake. And nice big time.
Excuse me. One more.
One nice big time.
Excuse me. Yeah. Good. One more. One more. Thank you.
मैम एक दोनों का साथ
Come inside.
मैम मैम
Guys, go up to the yours. Yes,
एक्सक्यूज मी
Big
मैम
one
मैम
picture with
मैम
Italian.
मैम स्ट्रेट जस्ट होल्ड वन मोर हियर जस्ट स्ट्रेट हम लोग बैठ के करने वाला
Guys, Ellie here.
such a princess
shots from movies, like you have given movie costumes. Yeah. I think that was from designer division. Malika. I know. No, make a screenshot. Nice. No, I only do better. This is actually not. Oh, this was fitted? I think this did was fitted. 1,500. Yeah, it's nice. You should take it. Yeah? So yeah, that's our dress by the way.
Yeah. Yeah, one. Thank you.
इनकी हिंदी देखिए कितनी अच्छी है, हम इनसे हिंदी
मेरे से
में
भी
बात
बेटर है नहीं नाउ गेट नर्वस हो गई लाइक
रोल ओके एली एंड श्वेता जी, सबसे पहले तो जानना चाहेंगे कि ये कलेक्शन के बारे में हमने देखा, बहुत ही डिफरेंट और ब्यूटीफुल कलेक्शन है। आप सभी ने यहाँ पे बहुत ही ध्यान से देखा, कितना अच्छा लगा आपको और क्या कहना चाहिए?
मैं बहुत खुश हूँ कि एवलिन सीम्स फॉर ड्रीम्स स्टार्ट किया है। इट्स रियली ग्रेट इनिशिएटिव और मैंने बहुत कपड़े दिया है, लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल this my cute red dress so yeah, and this is the third that she's having now, and first one pehla wala tha for Nepal. She was helping for what was happening in Nepal to give clothes and support with everything that was needed, and second dusra wala that she was having was for during winter, during the cold season and all, and now this is the third that she's having, and I'm really supporting it. I think it's amazing. You find clothes from designers, from other actors, so it's really great, and you will definitely love this stuff. I have already found some stuff with my like, oh my god, mujhe chahiye. So yeah.
श्वेता जी, आपसे जानना चाहेंगे।
आई लाइक द आइडिया कि कैसे स्टाइल के थ्रू फंड रेजिंग हो रही है, बिकॉज इट्स सपोर्टिंग द टीनेजर्स जो ये स्टाइल खरीदना चाहते हैं पर पॉकेट मनी अलाउ नहीं करती है, सो इट्स हेल्पिंग देम और एट द सेम टाइम इट्स हेल्पिंग अ कॉज, सो आई थिंक फैंटास्टिक है, हेल्पिंग विद द स्टाइल इज व्हाट आई कैन से, एंड एली एंड हाउ मेनी मोर पीपल हैव गिवन क्लोथ्स, आई थिंक इट्स फैंटास्टिक, लाइक hats off.
And also what is great is that I mean I've been living in India now for 4 years और बहुत बार मैंने ऐसा सोचा कि बहुत ऐसे कपड़े हैं या जूते हैं, बहुत चीज़ें जो मुझे देना है लेकिन मुझे पता नहीं कहाँ जाना है, मतलब कैसे देना है, ऐसे थोड़ी से कि आप मतलब स्ट्रीट पे जाएंगे और मतलब दे देंगे अपने कपड़े. You want to give it, you want to support, लेकिन it's not easy to know where, और कि ये लोग मतलब serious भी है. So that's why I was so happy when जब एवलिन ने मुझे बताया ये कॉज के बारे में जो उन्होंने स्टार्ट किया है, so I was such a relief to just give away all my stuff, and I know it's going for great things.
जी 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 अंशुता, ये जैसा कि कॉज की बात हो रही है, सीम्स फॉर ड्रीम इसका नाम है. आप क्या कहेंगे इस कॉज को लेकर? आप कितने एक्साइटेड हैं?
मैं बहुत एक्साइटेड हूँ और मैं सुपर एक्साइटेड हूँ. जैसे अली ने कहा कि एक कॉज है विद अ स्टाइल, तो इट्स मेकिंग सबके ड्रीम्स कम ट्रू. सो जो नाम है सीम्स फॉर ड्रीम्स इज परफेक्ट. मतलब हम यहाँ आके लाइक द वे वी आर सीइंग द क्लोथ्स, और जैसे पहले नेपाल के लिए किया, फिर उन्होंने वुमेन ट्रैफिकिंग के लिए किया, विंटर के लिए किया. सो आई जस्ट होप कि वी ऑल कैन हेल्प ग्रो मोर एंड मोर फॉर द कॉज एंड सपोर्ट इन द कॉज एज मच एज वी कैन.
आप भी सपोर्ट करो.
जी हम सुबह से
कुछ खरीदो आज.
जी. और ये हम देख रहे हैं कि फेस्टिवल भी चल रहा है श्वेता जी. नवरात्रि चल रहा है, गणपति.
हैप्पी नवरात्रि.
हैप्पी नवरात्रि टू ऑल.
और अभी दिवाली भी आने वाला है, तो फेस्टिवल में आप लोगों को क्या कुछ कलेक्शन हमें देखने को मिलेंगे? कितने एक्साइटेड होते हैं आप फेस्टिवल को लेकर? Are you excited about the festival?
Yeah, especially Diwali. I love Diwali. I think it's such a warm festival. I really love Diwali. So I'm very looking forward to celebrate Diwali.
Since I'm into painting, so Diwali is something where I'm going to paint rangolis and candles, diyas. I think हम दोनों भी साथ में कुछ पेंट कर लेंगे, क्योंकि ये भी बहुत अच्छा पेंट करती है, अगर आपको नहीं पता हो. So Diwali is all about painting and celebrating and being together with family and friends.
Okay, thank you so much and wish you all the best.
She's always been very supportive from the time we started our brand in swim and bikinis. She's been our muse. She's always, pushed us to make the best products and to make her look gorgeous. So I really want to support Seams for Dreams. I want to do whatever best I can to help the children, not just by shopping but also by contributing in terms of a collection for them. Love to make a collection for the children and see the smiles on their faces.
Maybe lots of designers, lots of actors donated on different clothes.
Yes.
Amy is donated and
Yes.
Sophie Chaudhary is donated. Lots of. What did you say about it? What's your feeling?
I think we must. I think it's a call that we all need to take to help the underprivileged as much. I think it's important to pay back, and I'm so happy and so proud of Evelyn and for the industry at large, because everybody in the industry is making an effort to help the underprivileged in every way that they can. It's a very selfless effort, and hats off to them. I'm very proud of being a part of this initiative.
फेस्टिवल भी चल रहे हैं और
Yes.
नवरात्रि, दिवाली.
Yes.
फेस्टिवल में हमें आपके, क्योंकि आप भी डिज़ाइनर हैं, तो हमें आपको डिफरेंट डिज़ाइन किए हुए कपड़े देखने को मिलते हैं.
Absolutely, देखने को ज़रूर मिलेंगे. We have some nice pop colors. We have Rajasthani prints. We've got Indian weaves on swimsuits. हमारे brand का, the essence of our brand is Indian prints and Indian. It's inspired by India in every way. So you'll definitely see our collection. We're always there to support Evelyn in every initiative of hers. And for Navratri, for Diwali, we have some beautiful collections coming in, which we're designing for the children for sure. Give them an element of fun in their lives.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Pleasure. Thanks. Bye.
Thank you. Both me. Excuse me. Rocky, यहाँ पे. Thank you. Rocky.